Hey everyone. So openai chatgpt have just launched their official first Android version over the Play Store. So I have already pre-registered, so that's why I received the notification just 3 hours ago, and today is the date is 26th July. So I have already installed the ChatGPT first beta version or pre-release version. So let's check it out how it works and what is the interface, everything. And I don't know Google will be tensed about it or not, or their Google the okay Google Assistant will lose their popularity or not after this launch. I don't know. So let's get started. So now I am opening the chat GPT first time. So here you can see this is the chat GPT. So when you open for the first time, you will not receive this screen. You will receive this kind of login or sign up page. So this is the exactly login or sign up whatever you have used in the browser, it will be the same thing. So either you log in your old account or sign up using the Microsoft account or Google account, Apple account, or just sign up with email ID. This page will open, and after that it will redirect you to this chat GPT page. So let me show you what is the other options. If you go to the settings, first your email ID will be showing up there, and then the subscription plan will be there. So premium plan is there, but coming soon in app. So right now in-app purchase is not available. So then the data controls and the dark theme. So let me show you first of all light theme. So you can change it up according to that, and main language is auto detect, or you can change lots of languages there. So yeah, lots of language you can choose from that language. So then about us help section and this person and this sign out button. So let me first talk about that data controls. So by default this chat history and training will be on with this device, and for 30 days they will store that. So I am just disable it. So you can manually also clear the history and export data or delete account, all option is there. So this is the main chat gpt interface. So you can also use the voice message like Google voice keyboard, you can use that. So right now let me test one query. Let me ask, what is your name? What is your name? So let's see. Here is it saying, I am ChatGPT, an AI language model. How can I assist you today? So let's see it have the old data or new data. So let me ask by the voice one question. What is the price of nothing phone 2? So you can see here what is the price of nothing phone 2, it is detected. And real time information it does not have, it is have information up to the 2021 September. So almost 2 years old data they are using for the free version. Now let me ask some coding related question. I want act as an JavaScript developer. Write me a JavaScript based website code for addition of two numbers. Front end will be in HTML. Act and JavaScript. So everything is working. So let me show. Yeah, it is giving the black window, the command prompt, like the editor things, everything is working. So here you can see, you can select stop generating response, regenerate response, select text, copy, everything is there. JavaScript file is also given there. So and the details is written there. So yeah, so you can click on the plus and it will open the new chat. But remember, as I have disabled the history, you cannot see the whole message. If you enable by default, you can see here, or you can turn on it from here. So that's it, a quick overview and a review of the chat GPT. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More interesting videos like this. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay subscribed.